Canon MegaTank GX6120. Print, scan, copy like a pro, without the hassle. Ever felt like your home office printer is plotting against you, jamming at the worst moments, or guzzling ink like it's going out of style? That endless frustration of low ink warnings popping up mid-project, leaving you scrambling for replacements. It's enough to make anyone rethink their setup. If you're nodding along, drop a comment below with your biggest printer pet peeve. Let's commiserate on how wireless all-in-one printers like the Canon MegaTank GX6120 could flip the script. Picture the chaos, looming deadlines breathing down your neck, stress piling up as your unreliable printer slows everything to a crawl, and burnout creeping in from constant tech battles. What if there was a clever way to reclaim your sanity without adding more gadgets to the mix? Imagine a cost-effective all-in-one printer that handles high-volume printing effortlessly, turning those frantic moments into smooth sails, subtly promising efficiency without the usual headaches. Enter the Canon MegaTank GX6120 wireless all-in-one printer, your breakthrough ally in conquering home office woes, with its refillable ink tank system that delivers up to 2 years of ink right out of the box, slashing costs to less than 2 cents per page. Feel the relief as you print, scan, and copy vibrant documents at speeds up to 24 pages per minute monochrome or 15.5 pages per minute color, all guided by an intuitive 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen that makes navigation a breeze, like having a smart assistant at your fingertips. Picture this mini-story: a busy parent juggling remote work and kids' homework, frustrated by frequent cartridge swaps, switches to the GX6120 and suddenly breezes through stacks of assignments via the 35-page auto-document feeder, reclaiming family time without the ink anxiety. Experts rave about its space-saving design, fitting snugly into any workspace, while the ChromaLife 100+ ink ensures sharp, long-lasting prints that pop with color and clarity. Sense the tactile ease of wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi, letting you print from anywhere without cords tangling your flow. And here's a tease. Stick around for a bonus tip on maximizing that high page yield to make your ink last even longer, transforming how you handle high-volume tasks intuitively and efficiently. Dive deeper into the Canon MegaTank GX6120's benefits, where efficiency meets peak performance in a compact powerhouse that boosts your focus by handling print, scan, and copy tasks seamlessly. Users love how the high-yield ink, up to 6,000 black and 14,000 color pages, eliminates the constant worry of running dry, letting you power through deadlines with sensory satisfaction of crisp, vibrant outputs that feel professional-grade. One pro shared: "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow. The auto-document feeder scanned a 30-page contract in minutes, saving hours of manual hassle." Industry analysts highlight its low-cost printing as a controversial edge over cartridge ripoffs, pushing boundaries in the inkjet market with Ethernet and USB options for flexible, shared use in small offices. Imagine the emotional lift. No more burnout from pricey refills, just intuitive operation via the touchscreen that whispers ease into your daily grind. Real users echo this, like a small business owner who said, "This all-in-one printer paid for itself in months with its massive ink savings. Now I print flyers without flinching at costs." Tech publications praise its energy-efficient design and compatibility with the Canon Print app, even voice-activated via Amazon Alexa, adding a playful twist to mundane tasks. Which feature would rescue your chaotic day, the wireless setup or the automatic document feeder? Comment below to share, and who knows, you might unlock a hidden hack for even sharper color prints. Limited stock on this game-changing Canon MegaTank GX6120 means you can't afford to hesitate. Join thousands who've leveled up their home office with its cost-effective, high-yield printing that transforms stress into seamless productivity. One verified user noted, "The speed and ease blew me away. It's like having a pro printer without the pro price." Don't wait. Click now to secure yours and unlock a secret setup tip that makes wireless connectivity even smoother, ensuring you never miss a beat in your workflow.